In July of 2018, the state of Rhode Island is going to be implementing a paid time off law. The legislature passed it last summer, and it's slated to start in July of 2018. Employers with 18 or more employers are subject to the law, and there are a couple of key things that employers need to do now in order to get ready for implementation of the law. First and foremost, they need to update their policies. And there are three crucial updates that need to be made in preparing for the laws coming onto the books in July of 2018. First and foremost is they have to update the policies to say notice. The law allows the employer to ask for reasonable documentation from an employee who wants to take paid time off if there's a policy in their handbook that states you have to provide the employer with reasonable documentation if you're taking 3 or more days leave. The second policy update that needs to be done is you have to update with regards to what notice is required if you are seeking to take paid time off that's not foreseeable. Unforeseeable leave can be taken if at the employee's whim if the employer does not update their handbook and provide notice provisions. Lastly, it's minimum increment of leave. If the employer does not update their handbook and say, this is the minimum increment of paid time off you can take, and the law says that's 4 hours, the employee can take whatever increment they want. If they want to take a half hour, an hour, that's fine. And again, that's going to lead to compliance issues for human resources. So those are the policy updates that an employer needs to look at and implement in advance of the law being implemented in July of 2018.